Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the three top altcoins to buy right now before the beginning of 2022. So as you guys can see, the market is currently down about 0.5%. We have our top gainer in the past 24 hours, which is going to be Adventure Gold, currently up about 21.55%, trading at around $2.14. Highest volume is going to be Bitcoin at 21 billion in volume, Ethereum at 12.1 billion in volume. So volume has significantly dropped, in the recent times here. But that could also be because of the holiday. Right now, Bitcoin's down about 1.8%, trading at around 50,000, and Ethereum is trading right around this 4,000 area, being down about 0.75%. Now, some of these other altcoins are either trading flat or actually in the green. So we're seeing Solana up about 3%, Luna is also up about 3%, but meanwhile, down here, Cardano and Ripple are trading pretty much flat. Avalanche is down 3%. Shiba Inu is up 2%. Doge trading flat. Polygon continuing to move higher and higher here, breaking through all-time high areas. And this is a coin we've been talking about for a long time. One of the greener coins on the channel that we've been discussing for a very, very long time. And we'll talk about this one a little bit later. We have Chainlink up here. Algorand is up as well. Cosmos making a huge move of about 14%. This one hasn't been on an upward momentum in the past few days as well. Some of these other metaverse plays are trading flat pretty much here in the past 24 hours or so, down about 2% or so. But the metaverse plays were making a little bit of a rally in the past few days before trading sideways now. So the market is currently doing very nice. If we actually take a look at the crypto bubbles, the market is performing very, very well. We're seeing a lot of green bubbles here and not many red bubbles. I mean, I'm only seeing maybe a handful of red ones on this list. Some of the biggest winners, obviously, here we have Aave up about 42%. We have Dusk Network up 66%. Near Protocol, which is one we talked about in a previous video, at around 67%. Luna, also known as Terra, up over 34%. Right here, this is a Phantom. We talked about this one in yesterday's video, so if you missed that one, check out that video. Up 55%. Sandbox is up about 30% or so, trading close to all-time highs again. And many of these other altcoins are starting to move up higher and higher, guys, as we continue to see what is going on in the market as things continue to pump on higher. So this is definitely a positive sign, seeing a lot more green bubbles on this list compared to where we were just a few weeks ago, trading in the red. So guys, before we get into this content, go ahead and smash that like button. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video for me, guys. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Polygon, also known as Matic. Definitely a coin we've been talking about since it was trading very, very low at the beginning of the year of 2021. So right now, in the past 24 hours, this one's making a nice move here of about 11.5%, trading at $2.83, breaking through all-time highs. In the past week, this one is up about 26%, past month 46%, and then on the one-year chart, 14,573%, which is insane. So our previous all-time high area right here was around $2.50. Well, we destroyed that all-time high area right now, and we're continuing to make higher highs. So first of all, this was trading at around 2 cents last December, continue to hit highs here in March. We talked about this coin here in March, obviously, when it was trading around 30 to 40 cents area. Continue to go higher here because of green renewable energy coins were getting kind of pumped on higher because of Elon Musk. It went from $1 all the way up to highs of 2.5, pulled back down, consolidated, and pulled back down even more with the market to about 69 cents. And then here we see from September the highs got higher and the lows got lower, and this pattern continued to go as we see a wedge and a breakout right now. So the wedge here got closer, and then boom, we just shot on higher. So from that low of 182, we're up about a $1 just in the past 2 weeks. So $1, gain from the past 2 weeks. Nice little momentum here and a pump, breaking through higher. I would not be surprised to see $3 before the end of the year and potentially continue to go higher into the next year. Now, obviously, as people continue to find new sources here for NFTs and different things like that, especially in the metaverse situation, a lot of people are transferring into using Polygon because of transaction fees and different things like that. And that's exactly why this coin continues to go higher, just like Solana. Pretty much Polygon and Solana, very, very similar in that way, and they will both continue to grow higher and higher. So current market cap is going to be right around 20 billion, all-time highs, like we said, 3.1 billion in volume, 87% higher than usual. Typical hold time is going to be 66 days. We have our ranking here at 11 on the list. 61% buy activity, 39% sell activity. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with Polygon, well, this is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on the Ethereum using the layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and later they can withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. Now, the Matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in a proof of a stake consensus. Now, obviously, the Polygon network allows you to do many of the same things that the main Ethereum network allows, but with fees that are often a fraction of a cent. So fees are the big thing, guys. Nobody wants to use Ethereum with high gas fees. They want to use Polygon or Solana. So you can try decentralized exchanges like QuickSwap or SushiSwap, yield generating lending and saving protocols like Aave, NFT marketplace like OpenSeas, or even no loss prize games like Pool Together. To try the Polygon network, you need to send some of the crypto to a compatible crypto like wallet like a Coinbase wallet. You can then bridge some of your crypto. Stablecoins are obviously a more popular choice for this, for the Polygon network. You'll need to bridge some Matic to make transactions, but even $1 worth is plenty because the fees are so low. So that's actually the upside, I guess you could say, and the positive thing with Polygon. So definitely going to be our first altcoin here. Definitely one we're going to be watching into 2022, guys. So that's our first altcoin. Second altcoin is going to be Cosmos, also known as Atom. This one we actually talked about, I believe, a week ago or so, and it continues to go higher. So we definitely have to discuss it again because of the momentum type situation that we're in right now. Currently, we're up about 14% in the past 24 hours, trading at around $32. In the past week, this one's up 37%. Like we said, we talked about it last week, and it was trading at around $22. In the past month, this one's up 7%, making a nice little upward move. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, 601%. So it finally went from that low and continues to push on higher and higher. Hopefully, we can break through the 32 area, which we're at right now. If we can break through that resistance, we continue to push on higher, potentially to $40 and breaking new all-time highs. Currently, it's up 601%, so which is very nice. Trading at $5 here last year. Now, obviously, we hit highs of over $45 at one point, which is insane, close to 900% gain or so. Pulled back down with the market and now making another upward momentum. 7.2 billion here market cap. Volume is up 105% at almost 800 million. Typical hold time is going to be 40 days, and it's ranked the number 21 coin on the list, but it's climbing those rankings very quickly, and it's finally on the front page. We have 62% buy activity and 38% sell activity. Now, Cosmos is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. Now, the team aims to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof of stake chain. Atom holders can stake their tokens in order to maintain the network and receive more Atom as a reward, which is obviously a positive thing. A lot of people like to do that. Now, the main idea of Cosmos is to allow for faster and cheaper decentralized applications, anything from an NFT marketplace to decentralized exchanges, by allowing them to run on their own dedicated blockchain. So, obviously, people love NFTs. So as long as NFTs continue to pump on higher, obviously the metaverse type situation, these type of coins are going to be pumping as well. So Cosmos, obviously we talked about Polygon in the previous one, and now we actually have another one. The number 3 coin on this list is going to be Solana, so SOL, another one that is great for the NFT marketplace. So all 3 of these are great coins because of the NFT as well, because they're going to continue to go higher as people need to use them in order to do transactions. So this one right here in the past 24 hours is up about 3%, trading at $197. In the past week, this one's up 7%. Past month, 6% in the negative. So we talked about this one when it pulled back down to 150. So if you would have bought around that 150 area, you would be up about 25 to 30% right now already. That was a great dip buying opportunity in my opinion, because the coin went to a support level that we were looking at previously. In the past year, this one's up 15,000%, pretty much the same as Polygon. Both of them are up about 14 to 15,000%, which is just insane. If you would have invested $1,000, you'd be up over $140,000, $150,000 right now, just in the past year, which is amazing. So Polygon and Solana we talked about for a long time. Solana obviously trading at $1.50 last year. We talked about Solana in March. It was trading at around $14 to $15 of that range and continued to go higher and higher. Over 1,000% gain has been made since that level. So Most of the gains pretty much actually happened here after July as it continued to go higher and higher here and break through highs again and again. And we're, only about let's just say $50 to $60 away from the all-time high area right now. Market cap 61 billion, volume is flat. Typical hold time 32 days. It is ranked at number 4 coin, right behind Binance Coin. Obviously, beating, right there we have Cardano. So beating Cardano and continuing to push on higher. 68% buy activity, 32% sell activity. Obviously, Solana is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof of stake consensus and so-called proof of history. As a result, Solana aims to be able to support 50,000 transactions per second without having to sacrifice decentralization. And obviously, another thing, like Ethereum, Solana is a computing platform that can interact with smart contracts. Smart contracts power a wide range of applications, from NFT markets and DeFi to games and decentralized lotteries. So we love the NFT market. Once again, like we continue to say, and because of the metaverse and different situations like that, all three of these coins, in my opinion, are great picks for the year of 2022, guys. So let me know in the comments below, what are your thoughts on these three altcoins on this list, guys? Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. First of all, Dogecoin. We like to look at this one every single time. Trading at around that 25 billion market cap. In the past 24 hours, in the past week here, we're up about 8% or so past month, making a little bit of an upward momentum from the lows that we saw here when we consolidated around the 16 cents area. So making a little bit of a move. Bitcoin's down 1.8%, trading at 50,000. In the past week, we're up 6%. Past month, we're down 15%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're only up 93%, which is underperforming the rest of the market, obviously. So we said that the 51,000, 52,000 area is going to be our resistance area for Bitcoin. If we can pass through that area, we could continue to go on higher and higher. So 943.5 billion market cap, 32% of the crypto market space currently. Volume is flat. Trading activity, 72% buy, 28% sell activity. Ethereum, same pattern, making a little bit of a downward momentum. In the past week, we're up 2%, past month 10% in the negative, and then on the 1 year chart, we're up 547%, outperforming, obviously. Right here, we've been trading in this channel, so we've been trading in this channel. We're going to be waiting for a breakthrough for, all-time highs eventually. 481 billion market cap, 16% of the crypto market space, 71% buy activity, 29% sell activity, 69-day typical hold time, and volume is flat on this one as well. So we'll continue to watch the big altcoin, the big and large cap coins, as they will set up the situation for the mid cap and the low cap coins as well. So, guys, as always, smash that like button for me if you like this type of content. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy holidays.